How to check activation date on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to find the activation date of your iPhone to check warranty status and device history. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your phone settings application, and over here you're going to click on cellular. So once you click on cellular, what you're going to do is scroll all the way to the bottom, and once you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll be able to see over here the last reset date. So most of the times the last reset date is the time when your phone was activated if you have never reset the phone. So in my case, the last time the phone was reset was December 5, 2021. So that means the activation date for this iPhone is December 5, 2021 at 10:47. And if you're not able to find it over here, and if you have reset your phone just earlier, some weeks ago, some months ago, and you don't really know the exact activation date, you can go back and then you're going to scroll at the bottom till you find the option that says battery, and over here you can click on battery health, and if your battery has not been changed and it's working good, you'll be able to see the time when first time the battery was charged, and that is the time when your iPhone was activated. The next thing that you can do is you can go inside your general and then click on about, and over here you're going to copy your serial number. So you can just click on it and copy your serial number, and then you can go to Safari, and here you're going to search iPhone serial number lookup. Click on check coverage, and once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. You can just paste that device serial number over here, and then you can just type down the characters, click on submit, and you'll be able to see the exact activation date of your iPhone. So that was basically how you can find the activation date of your iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.